Hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your wipers. And very easy sign to understand when to replace your wipers is when they start to streak. So it is very difficult to see now. You can see this streak, right? This line. Yes, now it's very difficult to see, but during the rain you can see them very clearly that you have streaks all over your windshield. But Audi being Audi, and you can't just take them and replace. It's a little difficult to do it here. So let me show you my new wipers from Aliexpress, and then I'm gonna show you how to replace them. Here they are, not very expensive, and I believe different in size, right? And you can buy them like for your car. For example, I bought it for my Audi A6 C7. So what is the difference here compared to the regular wipers? This one have like two blade design. I hope you can see that. I have two blade design. They're not very expensive. I believe they were like around $20 or something like that. So pretty good price. So let's get them installed. You won't believe, but step number one is to turn the ignition. Okay, the car will scream at you. Life hack, if you didn't know, if the Audi screams at you, you can just press one of these buttons and it will stop. Then you need to go to car settings. You need to go to car systems, service and checks, wiper change position on, up, and your wipers are in a change position. What I recommend doing in terms of like precaution and to protect your windshield. So when you're gonna remove this wiper, right, I recommend putting something like microfiber towels, better two, under the mount point. So let me show you. So first of all, you press this square and just pull. Oh, it doesn't want. Done. And I will just put it right here, and I'm gonna take our new wiper. Okay, here it is, our new wiper, and we just put it in the same way we took out. Oh, the camera didn't have enough angle. I think like this will be better. Sorry for that. So, and we just put it in the same way we took out our previous one, right, up, until it clicks. Let's check that it, okay, yeah, it won't move out. I can't take it out, so wonderful. And the first one is done. Looks fine to me, actually. So it's touching all the way, and let's change the second one. It's very easy to understand which one is which. So which one is the left one and the right one. They are just very different in length. You can see that. They're very different in length, so it is not very difficult to understand where is the left one and where is the right one. So let me move a little bit. Okay, like this. Okay, let's remove this one. Very good. And install the new one. A little different. Oh. Check. Yeah, not moving. And put it back. Oh, here it is. So I guess let's head inside and check them out. We are back inside. Here you have our new wipers, and let's put them back in a not service position. So let's check them out a little bit. Wonderful. I can't see any streaking, and it looks beautiful and clean. And view from the outside, as you can see, no streaking. Beautiful clear glass.